the anti-anxiety juice recipe that uses celery, spinach, apples and ginger. Juicing is a great way to optimize the levels of important minerals and vitamins in the body, boost your energy levels, prevent mood swings, and help the process of weight loss. Natural juices are an excellent way to strengthen the immune system and prevent ailments and diseases. This particular combination of spinach, apples, ginger, lemon, and celery is a powerful anti-anxiety drink that will provide high amounts of minerals like selenium, iodine, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, copper, zinc, phosphorus, manganese, molybdenum, choline, and vitamins A, E, C, B complex, B1, B2, B3, B9, B5 and B6, and K. All of these nutrients will suit the nervous system, relax your body and mind, boost your mood, and optimize your energy levels. Here is how to make it. Ingredients: 3 apples, 6 stalks celery, 1 2 inches fresh ginger root, 4 cups packed spinach, 1 lemon, peeled. Instructions: mix all the ingredients in the juicer, and drink this amazing green beverage within a few hours, in order to reap all its benefits. Enjoy!